English language learning, understanding, video tutorials. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very relevant topic in our digital age, video tutorials. These are not just popular tools for learning, but also a great example of how English blends words to create new meanings. So, let's dive in and understand what video tutorials are all about. A video tutorial is a digital video designed to teach viewers about a specific topic. These tutorials are a form of educational content, often found online. They can range from simple, short clips explaining basic concepts to detailed, multi-part series covering complex subjects. The key features of video tutorials include visual and auditory elements, making them an effective tool for various learning styles. In this section, let's break down the typical components of a video tutorial. 1. Introduction. This is where the topic is introduced, and viewers get an overview of what they will learn. 2. Instructional content. This is the main part where the actual teaching takes place. It can include demonstrations, explanations, and examples. 3. Visual aids. These are often used to enhance understanding, like graphics, charts, or screen recordings. 4. Conclusion. This summarizes the key points and often includes a call to action, like encouraging viewers to practice what they've learned. Video tutorials offer several benefits for English learners. Visual and auditory learning. They cater to different learning styles. Self-paced learning. Learners can watch at their own pace, pausing and replaying as needed. Accessibility. Available to a wide audience, often for free. Engagement. Typically more engaging than traditional methods. To make the most out of video tutorials, consider these tips. Take notes. Write down key points and new vocabulary. Practice speaking. Repeat phrases and sentences from the video. Consistent learning. Regularly watch videos to maintain and improve your skills. Interactive participation. Engage with the content by asking questions or participating in any interactive elements. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video has shed light on what video tutorials are and how they can be a valuable resource in your English learning journey. Remember, the key is to stay curious and keep exploring. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.